Hi guys, hope you are doing good. Since there are so many queries about installing robot framework, we thought of doing a small video about it. Because the first things first, you need to have robot framework installed and ready to run to follow whatever the tutorial that we are putting in our website. So let's get started with it. As a prerequisite, you need to have Python installed in your machine. Let's check my Python version. I can't remember it. I think it's 2.7. Yep, it's 2.7. Since you have installed Python successfully, the first command that you are going to run is pip install robot framework. Let's run it. Even though robot framework is successfully installed to your machine, there is one more little step. It's installing the robot framework's ride. Ride is the official IDE for robot framework scripting. I know there are so many advanced IDEs when it comes to Python programming, starting from IDEA, Eclipse, and sometimes VS Code. But still, when it comes to robot scripting, according to my experience, Robot Framework's Ride gives you the best support. So let's get Ride installed as our second step. Okay, cool. If you have done any kind of automation before going through these video tutorials, you should have probably come across the term Selenium. So, in Robot Framework, there are specific libraries defined for each technology that you are using. It could be Selenium, it can be securely, it can be API testing, whatever the type of testing that you are going to do, you need a library. Since most of you guys are familiar with Selenium, shall we get the Selenium library here? Where should I find the command? Okay, if you go to colomboroBot.com, you will find the installation command. If not, you can Google it like robot framework, Selenium library, then you will get the command instantly. So guys, go to our website and don't forget to subscribe our video channel and subscribe to our website too. We will be sending you information about the latest meetups and latest videos also. So thank you very much. Let's meet with another video. See ya.